The rolling case converts into the Podium. Open the case. Remove all the Podium pieces and take them out of their nylon and plastic bags. Stand the rolling case up like so. Locate the Podium top, made out of laminated wood, and attach it to the top of the case. You will need to push the latches on the Podium top into the case to secure it. The plastic guard goes on next. This goes on to the bottom of the case. There's Velcro on the inside bottom of the case, as well as on the bottom of the plastic guard to hold it into place. Now you will insert the interior shelves made out of laminated wood. These will slide into place like so. And now for the fabric graphics. First, unfold it and slide it over the top of the case. Next, lay the case down on the floor as shown here. Pull the bottom of the fabric over the bottom of the case. Pull it tight so all the wrinkles come out. And there you have it. Your Tru-Fit 3.0 Podium is built.